All right, what's up, everyone? So I got a LEXUS right here. It's gonna be from like 2014 up, same suspension setup. So if you're doing bags, everybody knows the rear is more of the nightmare because it has a bracket up there, has the bag and another bracket. So what a lot of people are running or having trouble with is when you put this bracket on, these two are supposed to sit. I don't know if you can see, but they have pins. There's one right there and there's another one right there. And so those guys are supposed to sit, but when you put everything, these are marked left or right, and this is the right side, passenger side, and I'm using the left one because I had put the right one on and the bag sat more on this side, so it was touching the arm and it wasn't letting me air out all the way, and the ride was all messed up. So what I did was I swapped the plates from the bottom. So I'm using the left on the right side and the right on the left side, and it sits the bag angled away from it. And this is what it looks like once you have it on. See, I have plenty of clearance from the sway bar as well, if you can see that. And it sits slanted, how it shows in the airlift instructions. So I think they might have misaligned these two, but I've seen everybody has that trouble. And I came across somebody who was like, this is what I did, and I tried it and it lined up. I've been fighting this for about a day, but I got it in within an hour. So now I'm going to do the other side, and you shouldn't have problems with anything hitting. So it's just a quick tip for all my Lexus boys wanting to wanting to put bags in their cars. I think there's other brands that have alternative setups. If you can avoid all this, do it. But what I did, so these are the brackets are the correct sides for the top. What I did, this middle bolt, I left it just a little bit loose, not to where it's super loose, but enough to where if I put enough force, I'll be able to twist it. That way I can line up the bag, and then as I spin the bag, it's gonna retighten it, because these two have to sit towards the inside of the car, just how it's right here. So I left this one a little bit loose so I can twist this around, put the screws in, and then I twisted it back and it locks in place. That way you're not having trouble putting the bag, marking it, realigning it, and then it doesn't align. That's what I did. Either way, it's gonna have all the tension of the car's weight. This thing is not gonna make noise and it's not gonna be loose. So that's what I did.